Hello guys, March 14th, 2024, and I'm a man on a mission. I'm about to help you understand Strada Costiera 57, one of the cutest villas we have on sale as of today. Tip number one, keep in mind the Riviera Hotel. Since your villa doesn't have a private beach, my best suggestion is Hotel Riviera. They do have some great seasonal subscriptions, and it's one of the best private bathing facilities here in Trieste. Here we are. Your villa is up there, actually. Just to give you an idea, all of these are free parking places. Those are parking places. As you can see, it's not that big of an issue. And these are the stairs which will take you up. There, you can spot your villa. Those there potentially could become parking places. I'll show you. If this first set of stairs were a problem to you, there's a chance of installing a lift which will take you here. It's costly, probably in the 30-40 grand ballpark, but it can be done. This first entrance here is shared with your neighbor, and there's some more steps to go. Not that many, it's about 80 total, but that was our front gate. Stairs, some more stairs, and that's your villa. So it's not that big of a deal. This is our first pastino. This piece of garden, this portion of garden here, this pastino, is in my opinion the best candidate to host a swimming pool. There is bureaucracy to go through for a pool. You have to file a request. You have to prove that it doesn't spoil the landscape. But once you're done, you can just imagine this as your pool place. One more pastino to go, and then we can visit the villa. 12 steps, and this is your second pastino. This can be a guest room. I'll show it later. And now, bam, here we go. Once you're up here, you'll probably figure out why you walked these 80 steps. That's a neighbor. We can raise this, there's no problem. He's a very easygoing man. Straight off. This here is thought to set up a dining table. They're still working on the structure. And this will become your dining area. That down there is the castle of Milamare, the Russian oligarch's ship. All of Slovenia. Turning. And that down there, behind the crane, is Grado. That's a picture. We're exactly halfway through the Gulf. We get it all. Now, basic facts. This was entrance number 2. I walked you through the shared entrance with a neighbor. This can be the other entrance. This is the official entrance to Strada Costiera number 57. If you want to go up for a walk in the cars, you can just proceed up the stairs and you'll magically find yourself somewhere lost between Trieste and Santa Croce. Before I walk you in, I wanted to make sure you got the picture. This is the main building, of course, with that separate dependance, we call it. And that's a wooden chalet. For now, it's of no use, but you can turn it into a 2-bedroom dependance for your grown-up son or your man cave, your hobby cave, your whatever. Okay, here we go. This is the entrance. It could easily be turned into a small living room, but the owner preferred just to enjoy his piano. And as you'll see, upstairs on the second floor, there's some extra room for another possibly living room. Let's start with the basics, which is, this is the laundry. Back here you have a bathroom. Of course, you could close this off with a wall and door. Last thing, I'll walk you out from there to the dependance, but now let's go to the kitchen. This whole place is basically new. It has been rebuilt from scratch not over a decade ago. There is a little blind cat welcoming you. Ciao, amore. And let's go for a walk upstairs. And master bedroom on the right. Get a peek out of our windows. Okay, from the master bedroom, we walk into this, I don't know how to call it. This can be a spare room. Just bear in mind that this is your view. From here, there's a walk-in closet or another room and an exit. And we're back here. If Cat lets us back inside. Sorry, thank you. Here we go to the third room. And to this day, it's sort of a walk-in closet. It's just extra space, but basic idea is master bedroom. This is whatever you want it to be. And once again, this can be another bedroom. A glance at our bathroom. Has a shower. Oh, lucky, no monsters hiding behind the shower. Let's go back down, because what I need to show you is the spare room. We walk down this way. Lights. Your heating system. Bonus. This can be whatever you want it to be. An extra room, just a dump for your gardening stuff, or your studio, your home office, whatever. Look at the view and you have your own separate entrance. We're back here once again. And now, last perk is the little wooden house, the baita, as we call it. And here are some free square meters, actually, because we didn't even count them towards the value of this place. They're just a bonus. Probably you'll need to invest something in the roundabout of 50k to fix it, renew it. But this graveyard for spare stuff can be a room, and here we go with another one. I would have killed as a teenager to have this as a spare room. Clean the place up, slap an air conditioning bomb there. If you want to send a mother-in-law on exile, that's the place. If you don't want to argue with any other family member, that's the place. I mean, it's pretty charming. Then, what you do is clean this up, plant a few tulips, a nice extra set of chairs, and you're set. So now, commonly asked questions. Neighbor, is it a problem or not? No, it's not. If you want to make sure no one can peek into your house, bam, plants, end of story. Or bam, we can raise that, end of story. So bam, you get your 200 square meters. Bam, you get your Isle of St. Helena. Some woodwork, and you can have your dining table. That's the view. What else? Of course, there's the issue of the stairs. I know, for some people, that's just a deal blower, but the stairs are these, and then dependance, these stairs, and your home. Of course, if your knees and hips don't help you anymore, that's a problem. But if you can walk this flight of stairs, this is what you get in return. At this price point, I dare you find something in better conditions on the Strada Costiera. Email me, martino@triestevillas.com. If you find a better deal, I'll buy you a pizza, probably, maybe even a large beer. You can move in now, because the owner is already moving out, so house is free. You can enjoy it. Summer 2024, it's yours. As I told you, you don't get a private access to the beach, but 5-minute drive from here, Sistiana, you're set. 2-minute drive from here, Filtri, public beach. Or else you take your Annex, you swipe it, 5-minute drive, Hotel Riviera, Google it. It's a great bathing facility. You can go for a seasonal pass, you're set. 20 minutes, you drive and you're in town. Full stop. Official price is 1.35. Then we better have a talk and maybe we can sort something out for you. Taxes, roundabout of 2,500 euro, one-off if this becomes your primary residence, or else 11,000 if you're a foreigner and you're buying this as a holiday home, full stop. Agency, 4% plus VAT. Notary, 3,000 is a good guess. If you want to fix the wooden house, 40,000, and you've got hell of a dependence for your teenage son or the mother-in-law. History, we even made the local newspaper because this place used to be a vegan pension back in the early 1900s. If you need a loan, we have banks which can help foreigners straight away with not too many questions asked, so we can work on that. Trieste Villas, Google us. I'm Martino. It was a pleasure. Have a nice day. March 14th, 2024. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.